everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a brand new Kroger updated deals video for you. Now, if you have not seen my must-do deals video for this current week, you need to go check that out. I will link it at the end of this video here so you can just click there and go straight to it because there are so many deals happening this week. Like, you would think that this would be a down week because it doesn't have a mega sale or there's nothing too exciting going on. But honestly, guys, we've got so many great deals, including freebies and moneymakers. It's just amazing. So today's January 21st. It is Friday as I am making this video, but these deals will continue to go on through the 25th. So you want to make sure that you jot these down, write them down, whatever you need to do to go head to the store and do that. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel because tomorrow on Saturday, I should have out an ad preview for the next sale that is starting on the 26th. I'm suspecting a mega sale, maybe a digital coupon sale. We'll see what happens. We've had 2 weeks off of mega, so a lot of times it's time to bring those back. So that's what I'm suspecting. Of course, we'll find out tomorrow. So make sure you're subscribed so you get notification when I post that video. And make sure you hit all when you subscribe so that way you get notified whenever I put a video out. Okay, so let's check out what is going on and what some of these updated deals are. We got to talk about the freebie that we are getting. So Ibotta, over on Ibotta, there's a whole bunch of things happening because of the Super Bowl that's coming up. And one of the freebies that we're getting is the Red Baron pizza. Now these are regularly priced $4.49, on sale for $3.99 at Kroger. You're going to pay that out of pocket, but then submit to Ibotta for $4.49 back on one. It's a limit of one time, but you're going to grab one pizza for completely free and make 50 cents in the process, which is awesome. So definitely a great deal there. Everyone should be grabbing their free pizza. Now I would be sure to watch Ibotta. Sometimes when you have these like freebie deals, they tend to just suddenly disappear out of nowhere. So just be cautious that it's still available to you when you head into the store. You also may want to check out other freebies that are happening. There are quite a few other ones in Ibotta that aren't necessarily for Kroger. So there's some at Walmart, there's some at like Whole Foods, things like that. So go check out Ibotta if you haven't already. If you have no idea what Ibotta is and you've never done Ibotta, it's a rebate app where you get money back for things you're purchasing. Go ahead and sign up. I have a link in the description box as well as a referral code. Sign up with that link or use my referral code when you load the Ibotta app onto your phone. And we can be partners in crime. We work on getting bonuses together. It's really great. So definitely use that link there. All right, let's see what else we've got. All right, so this is just an amazing price on popcorn. So Cousin Willie's popcorn 3 counts are regularly priced $1.99, but they're on sale for just $1 this week. And that's your final cost. No coupons necessary. You don't have to buy so many to get this price. It's just a really, really great deal. So yeah, this is going to be something that we'll stock up on, at least in my household. Okay, next deal I have here is, I think it's a really good deal. So if you're needing any kind of like spices, go to the spice aisle, the baking aisle I believe it's in, and look for the Kroger Spices in those cans that you can see in the picture there to the right. Now, their prices are going to vary from spice to spice. The cheapest one I could find was $1.99. But this week they're on sale for buy one, get one free. So grab 2 of them, and they don't have to be 2 of the same. Like you don't have to grab 2 of the garlic salts. You could grab 1 of the garlic salt and 1 of the chili powder. Of course, you would pay for the higher one and you would get the cheaper one for free. But they are buy one, get one. So your final cost is as low as just $1 each if you were to get 2 of the cheapest ones. So obviously prices do vary a bit here, but I think it's a really great deal, especially if you are, in need of some spices or you're getting low. I actually just bought cinnamon the other day at the Dollar Tree for actually $1. Like my Dollar Tree has not gone up to $1.25, which I think is pretty awesome. But this would still be a great deal if I still needed cinnamon and the Dollar Tree had raised their prices. All right, guys, the Super Pretzels this week are regularly priced $3.29. They're on sale for $2.79. We have a new $1 off 1 printable coupon. So do me a huge favor, guys, and go to the description box below and click that link to print your coupon. So I am an affiliate of coupons.com, and when you click that, you're helping me out just a little bit, and it doesn't change any way. It's just going to send you straight to coupons.com, but because you click that link, it'll give me a bit of a kickback, and it doesn't change anything for you. So thank you for your support by using that link. link. Out of pocket, you'd pay $1.79, but then Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. So you're going to grab these for just 79 cents each. This is another really great deal if you're having any kind of Super Bowl parties or things like that are coming up. Go ahead and stock up on these, throw them in your freezer, and then pull them out for your party. Like, what a great deal is this Super Pretzels. All right, guys, do you like Thomas English muffins? Well, I have a bit of a deal for you. It does specifically have to be the cinnamon plus protein English muffins, or at least one of them has to be that. So buy one of the Thomas cinnamon plus protein English muffins, and you can either get another one of those or another one of the English muffins that you prefer. They're regularly priced $3.29, but they're on sale this week for buy one, get one. So you're only going to pay for one of them out of pocket, $3.29. But Ibotta has a rebate for the cinnamon plus protein ones for $1.25 back on one. It's a limit of one time. So I'm only going to get $1.25 back one time. It doesn't matter if I bought 2 of those cinnamon plus protein English muffins. Final cost is going to be $2.04 total, or $1.02 each. I will tell you, check your Ibotta and make sure you have the same rebate as me. So I did see someone post on Instagram today that they had for their Ibotta rebate was 75 cents back on one, a limit of like 5 times or something like that. So if that's the case, you would want to buy 2 of the same one so you can get that back, and you actually would be 50 cents cheaper or 25 cents cheaper than what I'm getting back. So again, let me know in the comments when you check your Ibotta which rebate you received, or if it's something completely different than that. But either way, you've got a pretty decent deal going on with Thomas cinnamon plus protein English muffins. All right, so we're continuing on with this Natural and Organics 5-time digital coupons this entire month. It should be done on February 1st. We've got some really great deals that have been happening. I've been posting them, different deals in different videos, that type of thing. I've got a pretty good one that I wanted to share with you today that is very simple and a great price. And of course, if you want to see more of these, go back and watch my must-do deals video. You'll see even more of these great deals. So let's check this next one out. All right, Simple Truth Organic Taco Seasoning. So you need to grab in multiples of 2 for this. So anywhere from 2 to, I guess, 10 of these you could get if you wanted to max out the 5-time digital. They're regularly priced $1.19. They're on sale for just $1, and we have 25% off 2 5-time digital coupon. That's going to make your final cost for these just 88 cents each, which is a really, really great price. So let me know in the comments if you are going to grab one of these, or if the only thing I could find, at least online, was the spicy ones. I'm sure I just had to type in something else to get the other kinds up there. But are you a spicy taco person, or are you not? Because I am definitely not. I am not spicy anything kind of person. I like everything as plain Jane as can be. So let me know in the comments. Alright guys, that's all I have for you for an update. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what deals you're getting, and if I left any off, let me know. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you are following me on social media. All of it's linked in the description box below. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will be back with you later. Bye guys!